If you hate cute things, this video is going to be unbearable for you. Ikea's hottest product is not a table or couch, but instead Djungelskog, the adorably gigantic teddy bear that's nearly 4 feet tall. The $30 plush pal is so in demand that a grown adult confessed to nearly fighting a child for the last one recently. Part of the hysteria is because Djungelskog was only recently made available in American stores. Talk about coming out of hibernation. The stuffed animal has also amassed a cult following online, with millions searching TikTok for, as fans call him, Skoggy. He's even got a dedicated Reddit page with 18,000 members. One person even posted photos of dressing up their bear for a recent trip to the movies. It's unclear if Djungelskog needed to pay admission. He did take up a seat after all. Now, in the wake of such success, Ikea is selling a smaller, more handheld-sized Skoggy for those who don't have room for the beastly best friend. And if this is a trend that you haven't seen online yet, definitely take a look for Djungelskog. This one is certainly worth bearing witness to.